Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another hair experiment for you. I'm testing Soapwort root to check if the plant can really wash hair. Soapwort, and especially its root, contain a high content of saponins, which in hot water create foam just like a soap. They have cleansing and degreasing properties, and in the old days were used for washing clothes, skin and hair. To prepare my hair cleaning solution, I'm using 3 tablespoons of soapwort root and pouring about half a liter of cold water. Then I cover the jar and set aside for about 10 minutes. Next, I pour everything into the pot, add water to obtain about a liter of liquid and cook over low heat for about 10 minutes. After this time, I leave the herbs to cool slightly. The liquid should be comfortable for the skin, warm enough but not hot. I strain it into a bowl where I'm going to wash my hair. As you can see, I have oily hair, so I can test if Soapwort is able to remove sebum from my hair. I put my head over a bowl with Soapwort solution and try to massage the liquid to the scalp and hair at the roots. Then I give a good rinse to my hair with warm water and apply conditioner to the ends, as I always do after washing my hair. I rinse out the conditioner and let my hair air dry. And here you can see the effect after my hair is completely dry. My hair seems clean, but it's not a feeling of clean hair to me. They also seem dry and dull even after conditioning. They are also rough to the touch. However, I want to give Soapwort another chance, and this time I make a stronger solution made of 4 tablespoons of the root per about a liter of water. I prepare the solution in exactly the same way, except that in this case I strain it through the cloth to get rid of particles that may be the reason of dull and rough hair. I pour the ready, cooled, but still quite warm liquid into a bottle, which I hope will make washing my hair easier. I also prepare a vinegar rinse, which I usually use after washing my hair to make it shiny and smooth. I hope that the rinse will help restore softness and shine to my hair. I pour Soapwort liquid onto my hair and give a good massage to the scalp. Then I rinse my hair with warm water and, as before, apply conditioner to the ends. After rinsing the conditioner, I also use a vinegar rinse on the scalp and hair. I rub my hair into a towel and then let it dry. This time the hair seems to be cleaner. However, this is not the feeling of cleanliness I would have expected. The hair is also better lifted at the roots, but they are still stiff and dull to the touch. What is interesting, the hair at the bottom had become curly, which I noticed when I was editing my video. My hair tends to be a little wavy or slightly curly in some spots, and it seems that Soapwort helps with that. I also notice a slightly lightening effect after using Soapwort. However, the general feeling of heavy, stiff hair, not completely clean, stopped me from using Soapwort regularly. Let me know what do you think about it. Have you used this method to wash your hair, and what is your experience? I must mention that a few years ago I used Soapwort on my hair and I was happy with the effect. However, at that time my hair was weak, dry and dull due to frequent dyeing it with light blonde. Perhaps this was the reason why I didn't feel the drying effect of Soapwort at that time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!